Welcome to LumiSuite Tutorials. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Karthik Iyer. I'm the product manager at Instrument Systems and an expert in the field of display measurement. One of the most important questions in preparation for measurements is finding the correct working distance. This is important because during some changes and depending on the correlation between your DUT and the measured display resolution, interference patterns may appear, or commonly known as the Moiré artifact or the Moiré pattern. However, there are ways and multiple possibilities to either circumvent, overcome, or negate this effect. One of them is to optimize the measurement working distance of your device with respect to the DUT. Let me explain to you three simple steps to find the optimal working distance. If you've already purchased the system, we have already together defined the optimal working distance based on the DUT measurement requirements. In some cases, of course, it is possible that you would like to measure a new DUT with the same system. And what may happen is that you see Moiré artifacts in the LumiSuite software since the system is not optimized for your new DUT. In that case, you can of course provide us the information on your new DUT, and we can provide you with the optimal working distance. Another possibility is to optimize the working distance with respect to your new DUT on the fly, which I would like to explain to you now. Here we have a LumiTop 4000 which we operate with the LumiSuite, and I will be measuring a smartphone with the LumiTop 4000. As you can see here, it is clearly on the smartphone you can see a Moiré pattern. In this case, we can avoid or negate a Moiré artifact by moving within several millimeters in range of the DUT, slightly changing, either decreasing or increasing the specified working distance so that you do not have any interference pattern on your smartphone, which you can see using the live mode of the LumiSuite, like this. Now we are in the live mode of the LumiSuite, and you can see as I move my system in the working distance with respect to the DUT, the Moiré pattern slowly decreases, and at a certain distance you do not see any Moiré pattern anymore. And this can be your optimal working distance, and you can prepare your setup at this working distance for your further measurement. If you have further questions about any other feature in the LumiSuite, please write to us in the comments, or simply click on the small information icons that are available on the entire GUI, where you can find additional information in the help section. And make sure to see other video materials from the series How To series. Last but not least, I would like to mention that we are a very active member in the EPIC community, and please make sure that to tune in to the latest announcements that we have on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.